Hello, good morning, students. In the last day, we have done some problems from exercise 15B. Today, I shall do some more problems of the same exercise. See the first problem. Prove that tan 69 degree plus tan 66 degree is equals to 1 minus tan 69 into tan 66 degree. So start from LHS. In LHS we have tan 69 degree plus tan 66 degree divided by 1 minus tan 69 degree into tan 66 degree. See the student, this is the according to the formula tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B is tan A plus B, means it should be tan 69 degree plus 66 degree. Now apply the formula for tan 69 degree into tan 66 degree, which is tan 135 degree. If you know the value of tan 135 degree, then write down. Otherwise, write down tan 135 degree as tan 180 degree minus 45 degree. This is tan 135 degree. Tan 180 minus 45. Obviously, it will lie in which quadrant? Second quadrant. So, in second quadrant, it is negative. So, it should be minus tan 45 degree, and you know tan 45 degree is 1. So, it should be minus 1. This is your RHS. Now see the another problem. See the another problem. Your next problem is prove that cos 8 degree minus sin 8 degree divided by cos 8 degree plus sin 8 degree is equal to tan 37 degree. Our LHS is cos 8 degree minus sin 8 degree divided by cos 8 degree plus sin 8 degree. Divide the numerator and denominator by cos 8 degree. Divide the numerator and denominator by cos 8 degree. Then our LHS, the first term cos 8 degree divided by cos 8 degree will be 1 minus sin 8 degree by cos 8 degree. This would be tan 8 degree. Similarly, in denominator, it should be cos 8 degree by cos 8 degree is 1 minus tan 8 degree. Here, in denominator, tan 8 degree should also be written as tan 8 degree into 1. Now convert this one and this one in terms of tan. You know tan pi by 4 or tan 45 degree is 1. So tan 45 degree minus tan 8 degree divided by 1 minus tan 45 degree for 1 into tan 8 degree. Again it reduces in the form of the formula tan A minus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So tan A minus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B should equal 1 plus is equals to tan A minus B, means tan 45 degree minus 8 degree, and 45 minus 8 is 37. So it is tan 37 degree. This is your result, means our RHS. Now see the another question. Your next question is, prove that cos pi by 3 plus x is equals to 1 by 2 cos x minus root 3 sin x. See students, these are very simple problems. Minus root 3 sin x. These are very simple problems. I think you can prove it yourself. But see here, your LHS is cos pi by 3 plus x. Expand according to the formula cos A plus B, which should be equals to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Write down the value. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 into cos x minus sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So it should be root 3 by 2 into sin x. Now 1 by 2 we should take as a common. So this should be equals to 1 by 2 cos x. Here 1 by 2. 2 comes outside the bracket. So how much left? Root 3 sin x. This is your RHS. So in such way we prove the problems. Now see the next question. Your next question is, prove that sin 75 degrees equals to root 6 plus root 2 by 4. Since sin 75 degrees, 75 should be written as sin 45 degree plus 30 degree, because we already know the value of 45 and 30. Now expand according to the formula sin A plus B. That should be sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Write down their values now. So sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, plus cos 45 degree 1 by root 2 into sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Take out LCM. So its LCM is 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2, and numerator should be root 3 plus 1. So value is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now rationalize it by root 2. Rationalize means multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by same term, or multiply numerator and denominator by same term, means rationalize it by root 2. Then denominators becomes 2 root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. So this would be 4. Root 3 into root 2, that should be root 6, plus 1 into root 2 is root 2. This is your RHS, or prove the result. Before proceeding to next question, let us see some more formula. See the students, you know these are the basic formula. Sin A plus B, sin A minus B, this formula you are well understand. Add the first one and second. Add the first and second formula. Then after addition we have sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So in right side, see, one term should be cancelled. Sin cos A into sin B minus cos A into sin B should be cancelled, and these two terms should be added. So we write it 2 sin A into cos B. This formula is obtained after adding. Similarly, subtract them. Sin A minus B, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So when we subtract this one into right side, this term becomes negative and this will be positive. So negative and positive first second term should be cancelled, and these two terms should be added now. So this is formula for 2 cos A into sin B. This formula is obtained after subtraction. Similarly, add the third and fourth. Third one and the fourth. So after adding, we will get cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. When we add, then terms of sine should be cancelled, and we have only 2 cos A into cos B left. And finally, subtract them. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. When we subtract them, then these two terms should be added with negative sign, because this also becomes minus. So minus sin A minus B minus sin A minus into sin B. So it should be minus 2 sin A into sin B. This formula, the same formula, can also be written as cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is 2 sin A into sin B. This is another formula. So now you must learn these formula. Again, these formulas are very useful. It is better to write all these formula in the same answer sheet or same page level. Now write down the question. Prove that 2 sin 5 pi by 12 into sin pi by 12 is equals to 1 by 2. Now compare which formula is applicable. See the last one, 2 sine A into sine B. This is according to that formula. So LHS is our 2 sine 5 pi by 12 into sine pi by 12. Apply the last one. So what we have, cos A minus B means 5 pi by 12 minus pi by 12 minus cos A plus B 5 pi by 12 plus pi by 12. So 5 pi by 12 minus pi by 12. 12 will be LCM, numerator be unchanged. 5 pi minus pi, that is 4 pi. So cos 4 pi by 12 into minus cos on the same way 6 pi by 12. 4 pi by 12 means pi by 3 and pi by 12 means pi by 2. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, 2 sine. So this is cos 60 degree minus pi by 2 is cos 90 degree. Cos 60 degree or pi by 3 you already know, this is equals to 1 by 2 and cos 90 degree is 0. So 1 by 2, which is your RHS, and hence the result. So now see the next question. So your next question is 2 sine 5 pi by 12 cos pi by 12 is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2. Prove this one. So you have just seen 2 sine A into cos B. See the first formula, 2 sine A into cos B, which is equals to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Apply this one, 2 sine A into cos B means sine A plus B 5 pi by 12 plus pi by 12, sine A plus B plus sine A minus B means 5 pi by 12 minus pi by 12. Find out its value and then put them. Sine 5 pi by 12 plus pi by 12 means 6 pi by 12. 6 pi by 12 after taking LCM. Similarly, it is sine 4 pi by 12. 6 pi by 12 becomes pi by 2. 4 pi by 12 becomes pi by 3. Sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 2 means sine 90 degree and sine 90 degree is 1 plus sine pi by 3 means sine 60 degree, which should be root 3 by 2. Take out LCM and after taking LCM it should be 2 plus root 3 by 2 because 2 is LCM, which is your RHS. Now students, I am giving some problems for practice. Like yesterday, you must solve this question and send me immediately. Write down. Prove the following. Prove the following. First, 2 cos 5 pi by 12 into cos pi by 12 is equals to 1 by 2. Second, cos 135 degree minus cos 120 degree divided by cos 135 degree plus cos 120 degree is equals to 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 root 2. The next question is, prove that sin 75 degree is equals to root 6 plus root 2 divided by 4. And the last question is, if sin x is equal to 1 upon root 5, sin y is equals to 1 upon root 10, x and y are acute. Acute means less than 90 degree. Then prove that x plus y is equals to pi upon 4. After the end of class, you immediate prove these all identities what I have given and send me immediately so that I will check it. Thank you.